What's up guys, today we're here making how to make a 1v1 map and this is Jason. So get your map, name it whatever. I didn't name it anything, but it doesn't really matter. So once you go in, you have to go to the middle. It doesn't have to be in the middle, but okay, I can't find it. Just go anywhere. Go to Creative Galleries. Make sure you look up OBS. Oh, no, IND. Sorry, IND. And you do this. Pick stuff you want. I'm gonna pick this, and this. And I think I'll go with a 5x5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It won't always be even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just fill in the inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I know. I counted a bit off. So you do this like that, and once you do this, I'm going to cut one side, have the side back, sorry guys. So once we do this, get the wall, just place it around. This box place is going to be quite important. So place it all around and select all of these. Makes it way quicker. Once you do that, copy it and place it down. So when you have your stairs, place it in the center, like that. So we're going to go straight up and do, so if you fall off the map, you get teleported back. So you're going to have to find a mutator zone. So if you type up here, mutator zone, we place it down, make sure the zone width is 100, the zone depth is 100, but the zone height is 0.1. Make sure, okay, zone visible during game, no, yeah, that's alright. Then the thing is, find this thing you'll remember, so on player entering zone, channel 1. So once you come up here, you get a rift zone. So once you get the rift zone, scroll down. Once you get the rift, here somewhere. Yeah, once you get the rift zone, place it wherever you want. I'm gonna place it here. Make sure it's no, 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 and then teleport to and receiving from channel 1, place the exact same thing over here, and boom. So we're going to do the reset button now. The reset button is actually very easy. There used to be so many hard ways to do it. So all you need to do is get a button, place it wherever. I'm just gonna, you can only use one in this technique. If you use 2, it'll override and it'll stop working. Well, not override, that sounds a bit cringe, but don't worry. So if you do this, go to interact times 0.1, times can be triggered. But keep that 0. Delay. No, reset delay. Make that like 5 seconds. Oh, should I? Trigger sound disabled. Enable at game site enabled. Interaction text reset button. So you got that. Visible during game, yes. Interaction radius 0. I think that's 0.25. And when interacted, chance on channel 2. So now we've got the explosive device. Make sure that's right. Right in the middle there. Settings, health, indestructible, blast radius 5, player damage 0, structure damage 5,000, knockback off, explode proximity range, delay. So player audio / VFX, no. Visible during game, no. Collision during game, on. Hide everything. Show health bar, no. And let's bring it to the top. So play audio, no. Explosive barrel, this could be explosive barrel. So explode when receiving from channel 2. When exploded, channel 3. Reset when receiving from channel 4. Sorry. So once you get the trigger. So get a trigger. Get the trigger. Spawn it in anywhere. So trigger by player off. Trigger by vehicles off. Activated. So times can be triggered, infinite, chance for every trigger, delay 5 seconds I'll put. Oh no, none, reset delay, none, trigger sound, disabled, trigger disabled, visible in game, no, do not take damage, enable at game start, enabled, but, so reset, so trigger when receiving from channel 3 and when trigger transfer on channel 4. So that's a reset button done. Just have to remember that. So now I'm not going to do a lot of guns, but if you go to SP A, see you got item spawner. Make sure for this you might want to go on grid 2, would be perfect grid. So put that there. The setting is time for first spawn, instant, base visible during game off, and time between spawns instant, and everything should be good. So then you put them next to each other like that. So if I go to weapons, pick some weapons. There's a gold purple pump. Let's just do purple one. Where are so purple pump, blue AR, blue AR. So I'll use this SMG. Where are they? I just saw it. Yeah, blue AR and the gold scar. If we drop those guns in their own thing. So once we got that, oh, one sec, let's take out the gold scar. Sorry, clear items. And consumables, let's go down till you see our grappler. Drop it in there. So now is the final step. My island game settings. Max players, that's how much you want. I'm just going to put 2 teams, free for all, team side, total rounds 100, after last spawn. Gold team 1 or anything. It's a free for all, so team rotation disabled, and then next one. So time limit, none. Off. Elimination score 1, and settings. So time of day, this could be anything like we do. Starting shields 100%, allow shield recharge off, infinite ammo on, infinite consumables on, infinite resources on, no, not off, infinite resources on, maximum building resources, and do this wherever. Harvest style, creative. Oh, I'll go battle royale. Not creative, sorry. Allow aim assist, yes. Allow building, all. Building can do so. And since that instructable thing, the walls, doors and all, it cannot destroy anything. Like, you can't destroy that, but it can destroy players' builds. Eliminate players' items, keep. And full damage off. Respawn time 1 second. Jump take off. Allow mantle on. Where is it? Glider redeploy off. And then that should health granted on elimination. Put that 10,000. Just why not? UI. Just put this whatever. I think HUD info type. Score. Max trackers on HUD 3. Then use team score. I don't think this really matters. So live tracking. So yeah, this doesn't really matter. So if I now start the game. Oh, I've got spawners. I'll fix that in a sec. But if we start, once I do spawners, you see on the top right, it says my name and the amount of points I have. Should say 0 or just nothing. Here's the guns. So if we jump off, get teleported back here. So we do all of this. Reset. Wait for it to load. Reset. Reset. So quickly, we're going to end the game, and we're going to put down the buildings and stuff. And if you want, you can put a barrier, but I'm not putting that in the video, so there's no need. So I'm gonna put spawners. I'm only gonna put 2 because I only put 2 players in my thing. Doesn't matter where you place them. The settings, all we need to do is users answer on visible during game off. Visible during game off. So now you start the game. When we spawn in, you can't see him. You've got 100 HP, and boom. What if I put him there? So just 1 off. It should still destroy it. See? So that's all for the video. See ya.